Thirsty crow. Once a crow was very thirsty. He searched for water everywhere. Ka, 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 ka. At last, he saw a pot with little water in it. He put his beak inside but could not reach down the water. He thought for a plan. Pick some pebbles, put into the water. One by one, the water level rose. Drank the water. You had a happy day. Two silly goats. Once upon a time, there were two silly goats. These two silly goats wanted to cross a narrow bridge together. When they came to the middle of the bridge, they both began to fight. As they are fighting, both fell into the water and were drowned.